I'm trying to get some food. Guys, this is day 6. I don't know what I'm gonna get as yet, but I'm really trying to get something to eat. My hair is still messy. I gotta do my hair soon, and my nails. I buck up on her wings. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, curry is in curry. C-U-R-R-Y. So I want to get lemon pepper wings and the corn.
You want a combo meal?
Yeah.
6, 8, or 10?
8.
Bone in or boneless?
Bone in.
What flavors did you say?
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper ranch, with cheese?
Ranch.
Okay. Fries and a drink? And you want corn? You want the small corn? Fries.
How much come with the small corn?
5 and 10.
Alright, give me 5. 5 pieces. Just got my food. I'm super tired. Very tired, guys. Very, very tired. Guys, them fries here look like it passed through hurricane. Guys, I ate fries that is not peel. I don't know about Uno, but me not like fries when I peel. It's just something. I ate it. When you go to these places to buy wings, in America, I have to tell them well done. Like a steak on our order. Because they will dip this wings and take it out back. So I make sure I tell her I say I want it well done. You understand? Yeah. So see the wings right there, so just stay tuned for more video. I got lucky today. I ordered 8-piece wings and I actually get 9-piece. So I'm gonna get an extra piece of wings, which is good because me love lemon pepper. So guys, I'm gonna dip it with blue cheese. People, I'm gonna dip my fries in the blue cheese. May I say blue cheese? Ranch, guys, ranch. My bad. I ate blue cheese. This is all you can eat buffet, and them actually have good food. Chinese, Apache. I'm going to try this for the first time. I wonder what it is. This is wasabi right here. Very spicy. Very spicy. Very spicy. So guys, I'm going to try it. Guys, this is so spicy.
De doce só, né? As flores que a gente vai pedir.
Eu apareço ali, ele coloca em cima das peças. Você tem alguma coisa que coloca
Então. Era isso que a gente queria saber.
Oh, baby, eat this.
Né?
Guys. Oh, oh, people eat this shit.
Olha isso, que legal. Olha isso. Ai, uma luminária.
So I'm gonna try octopus. Why? So I got me some marshmallows. Marshmallows, I love marshmallows. Comment down below if you love marshmallows. The shrimp here, it's kind of like a salad shrimp. It actually seasons good, but it's not fully cooked. They don't taste good, but it's cool. It has like a lemon on it, so that's good. It's full of lemon. And it's good, and I'm dipping it in the hot sauce. I think this is crab. I'm not sure. I don't know what this is. Guys, I'm not gonna eat it. It tastes odd and rubbery. But the shrimp is good. I'm sorry I didn't take more. The shrimp is really good. Like actually so good. So guys, now to the beast. All these people like eat and I'll be like, Lord, why do I eat that? So this is the beast now, guys. So I'm gonna dip it. Oh god, the shrimp is so good. Actually, I taste it still in my mouth. I'm doing that one thing, you know. So guys, do you think I'm gonna like this or not? They're very rubbery. Alright. Very rubbery.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
I think if it cooked good, I could have eat it. I think it's something I could eat if it cooked properly. I could have eaten it if it cooked properly. It does rubbery. You can say them just steam it and take it out back. You know, so at least you're gonna try stuff today. You know? So I'm having my marshmallows to get these taste out of my mouth. Which is good. I'm gonna eat the food already now. The food was not everything but up. But the food is good. You understand? Yeah. Very good. I have my marshmallows. So guys, when you eat octopus, see more you know? The tail light look like a one lizard. It's so hard. I want to have a lizard. Would you eat this? Let me know if you would eat octopus. Lizard. I want to finish it, guys. I find this is too much of sweet. But yes, when I take my belly for my fruits, I have to have a little fruits. Eat them. Pie is good. But ear cheese, not a pie. But ear cheese. Then you have Jello. Jello is actually good. Just like when we make Jello. They didn't make the regular Jello and just cut it up in a bar. This to the last thing, the sweets. So yes, people, my belly full anyway. My belly is full. But honestly, I'm gonna try some different stuff. Which is good. Nothing is wrong with trying different stuff. You understand? Then I have my fortune cookie right here. You know, I have to try the fortune cookie, right? But that's the favorite part of the meal. The fortune cookie. The cookie from really good. It says, don't be pushed by your problems, be led by your dreams. Can't walk with dignity. So, or come up, force and push stuff. Maybe that's me. I love fortune cookie, guys. So guys, scum. That's there. I need to get some earbuds for the plane because them little strings that me have now work. And the reason why I carry these is because I can't bother with me have to go charge earphone and stuff like that. But them no work at all. More when I want them to go over my ears. The one them to go over my ears. Because people, when they pan the plane, man, that shit burst your ears, you know. I should get one of these also. This whole thing. This shit burst your ears. That's a 6-pack. Why them have them loose out? That's crazy. I'm actually looking for earbuds. I can't see my earbuds. Listen, I don't electric stuff. Okay. Woo. Da 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 da. May I see electrical stuff? But nah, see my earbuds. People, if I not pronounce the word good, I know what I have to. Do not come dictate my pace. Them set me off the Xbox and all them stuff there. I want one that go over my ears. I don't mind even if you have to plug in at the phone. As long as it go over my ears, people, I don't mind. Must see one 3.5 stereo set with built-in micro. So guys, I see this one. I don't know how it use. I don't know how it use, but I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna definitely get this. Even though I don't know how to use, I don't know how the end part type go, but I need it. I'm hope it can work in my laptop too, guys. So I'm looking for a cashier. You know, so I need a laptop. I need a laptop. Literally. I need a laptop. Guys, the reason I'm having this over my ear, I start my ear, but my ear not finished. And then I have to go out and eat. So I just straight over my ear. When I go back and I finish my ear. That's why I'm having it over it. You know. I'm glad it's not finished yet still because I'm going to a party tomorrow and I really don't want to show me here. So look at this, look. They want to cheap though. This one cheap guys. I need a laptop. Who's gonna sponsor me a laptop? Somebody else sponsor me now. Who's gonna sponsor me a laptop? Who is going to sponsor me? Ooh. Guys, it's little and cheapy. How about it? I don't know what it is, but it's too cheap to be real. It has them here, yes, a small HP, but yes, I definitely got to get a laptop. I have to get a laptop. They may look like them are, what do you call them? These are not laptops, these are, what do you call them again, people? Jesus Christ. You call them Chromebook. I think they're Chromebook. So yeah, them a Chromebook. Definitely Chromebook. Them too cheap to be laptop. It's a laptop though. Ooh, a laptop, them here. But them so cheap. I don't know. Anyway, people, I gotta buy this. It's cheap too. Hold on. So, no cash back. Here's another card. You're gonna have a receipt, please?
Good coming.
Thank you. Yes, guys. I end up getting the ear something. It's cheap too. I pay $10 something for it. I need it because, guys, listen to me. I really buy it because of the plane. Because I have home, I have back home. But when I'm on the plane, the guys, I have to squeeze in my ears. So, if I don't want to feel like my ears drum a bust. You understand? I have to squeeze in my ears, people. Watch it sitting and drop there. I'm squeezing my ears. How are they? They might look comfy, guys. What are these for? They might comfy. But I want to buy them big something up here so because I can't get it done. So how are they look cheap? So people, listen, yeah? Unless you have it extended, this can extend, guys. Me, I gotta buy one cheap suitcase when I travel next time. Because guess what? You see them stop me here? Them can't hold nothing. Because them can't stretch and stiff up and sitting. Whatever amount you put in it have to stay in there. You can't stretch like the local cloth cheap suitcase them. When you don't want to travel and you want something look good, you buy nice things. But trust me, people, I'm going back to one of them regular suitcases next time I travel. Because Thunder is a good thing. I don't have my school bag. My school bag actually holds more. My school bag actually holds more than the suitcase. Trust me, because you can stretch and thing. So I'm kind of glad somebody carry it. Me instead. I like this. I'm gonna buy one for home. So I'm gonna get the video out. So I'm gonna go up and can get one. I like this one, very cute. Watch how Mama do her body. I'm alone now do my body. Hey guys, I went to this party and the guy said, the DJ was like, are you going back home with their body done? Let me see your hand. I want to do my body. I have done school first before I can do body. I'm not going to do nothing major though. But just go take out the fat and stuff. out of my belly and out of my back. Nothing too major. Just something simple, you know? That's what I want to do. But I don't know about or nothing like that. My mask kind of mess up people. So, sorry, I wanted. What I really look for me now, see? Watch out, I don't have no mask in every place. I saw you seen, you know, if you take vaccine and still have to wear a mask. Hee-haw! Hee-haw! I like these hats, guys. I know me I wear them at a friend one day, right? This cheapy? This not real? This real? Cheap, $4 something. Well, look at that sunset. So beautiful. Wow. Nice evening sunset in the people. Nice lights. Oh, tick. I think there's a park over there. So yes guys, this town is very busy. Very busy. It's kind of dark too, people. People, look at this place. Like most of these places like them down below. There. Get into it. So guys, this is the cowboy town. Get a cowboy at your cowboy boots and then something there. Me. People, cowboy town this now. These people, you see the big cowboy boots something there over there, so sign and stuff like that. Lots of white people. I know me not see one black somebody outside. I see one black person on the outside. But yes, these are things that this is nice to see for me. I like to see these things, guys. You know? See when you're there in the A, you see be black people. There's certain places see different people. You're there in Miami, you see be a Spanish white people. Yo, this is cool though, you know. So yeah, speaker. She said, "I evil them I bring on ya." Should I get my cowboy hat and sitting? Think and dirty people. If you go eat at them places, they get straight raw food, you know. You want a rare meat? Be able to run out of it? Right, just so you come. Get some rare food. I need one of them cowboy at the door. It's a real. Look at this carriage, guys, that we're coming up to. What you call over this? So the big bull cow. Anyway, guys, look at this carriage right here. Watch the donkey, guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look on the car there. That is Ayat over there. Wow, this looks like some market or something. Wow, this is actually some restaurant. This is some restaurant or something like that. Restaurant, and it's just the whole setting for me. It's just all them not have it fancy. It's just a look regular board and stuff like that. I don't know too fancy, but it is so cool, guys. Like, it's so cool, you know. Yes, I like it. Me like it, people, you know. Yes. So guys, just stay tuned for a lot more videos.